Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to disable ad blocker in Chrome on Android. First of all, open up the web browser and click on three dots from the top right corner and go into Settings. From Settings, click on Site Settings. Scroll down in Site Settings and click on Ads. As you can see, the ads options are turned off. That means it will not block any ads on the sites that show intrusive or misleading ads. So it's already turned off. But if you turn it on, that means it will block the ads, so you can make it turn off to allow the ads. You simply turn it on to block the ads on site. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe and share.